Top 15 Plus Kitchen Lighting Trends 2024, according to experts. The kitchen isn't just about cooking anymore. It's become a dynamic space where practicality meets beauty. And you know what? Lighting is like the secret sauce that transforms kitchens into versatile hubs for cooking creativity and hosting awesome get-togethers. So, let's dive into what's hot in kitchen lighting trends for 2024. It's this cool blend of tech, sustainability, and design that's taking the heart of the home to a whole new level. Top 15 Plus Kitchen Lighting Trends 2024. Sculptural statements. Sculptural lighting varies from decorated and conceptual to simple and geometric. Moreover, it also has particular distinctive design and structural features. In actuality, you can recognize sculptural lighting when you see it. The unique thing about this light is that it enables people to find surprising and distinctive lighting components that are not only practical but also breathtakingly attractive in shape, style, and material. Out of the blue. If you are finding new kitchen lighting trends, let's think about lights with an out-of-the-blue style. Currently, navy kitchens are highly popular because they will make your space more fashionable and trendy. This color also remains elegant and never goes out of style. So, you can consider choosing many types of blue kitchen lighting to decorate your home. Blue kitchen lights are popular among modern kitchen interior design styles because they are not only fashionable but also bring a sense of peace and harmony to the room. However, this color is on the cool side, so it performs best in kitchens with lots of natural light. Minty Fresh. Mint green is a classic and exquisitely vibrant color. It is making an appearance everywhere, from the fashion show to interior home design. Therefore, it is not surprising that you could cover the minty fresh color of your kitchen with lamps. With the minty pendant light, you will make your kitchen a gorgeous, sustainably designed area that suits all of your needs. Ditch the angular shapes and opt for curves. The kitchen is frequently one of the main places homeowners begin creating transformations when wanting to improve their living space. So, you can find kitchen lighting trends in 2024 to select the best options for your cooking area. Kitchens with angular shapes and curves in their lighting design are one choice that is now in favor. Mix and match. The most efficient way to make unique fixtures that act as both an ornamental element and a source of illumination for a place is to mix your fixtures. Hence, you should apply these ideas to give the finishing touch of sophistication and splendor to your home. Mixing a series of lighting fixtures is more than just collecting your favorite pieces. Let's consider how different colors, forms, and tones interact with one another, as well as in your own interior design. You should choose a design that expresses the unique characteristics of yourself and your cooking area. Unique pendant replacements. Unique pendants are one of the best kitchen lighting trends in 2024. They are a popular option for cooking because of their usefulness and convenience. This style of light is suitable for people who need to decorate the kitchen to be cozy and warmer. Choose clear glass shades. Clear glass pendant lights will become an upcoming kitchen trend in 2023. It offers an uncomplicated elegance that seems both highly contemporary and fashionable. Moreover, these products are also amazing in quality, handcrafted with care to assure both beauty and functionality. A colorful pendant or two. Colorful pendant lights are becoming a new kitchen trend in 2024 because of their attractive appeal. They are often the focal point of a room and play an important role in defining the ambiance through the utilization of lighting and design. Use rattan pendant lights. Rattan light is becoming increasingly trendy in interior design nowadays. When you incorporate these natural material lights into your home, you will get a cozy vibe that is also beautiful and versatile. Moreover, it can add texture and architectural appeal to any space. Go for subtle choices over bold. You ought to decorate your kitchen however you want, not depending on what many others do. Rowabi suggests you think outside the box with some vibrant, attractive, and even unexpected lighting selections. This can be a subtle choice over bold with a small or big size, square or circle shape that you really like. Retro lighting is back. Retro themes have become one of the kitchen lighting trends in 2024. So, why not give your kitchen a fresh look and experience? You can generate a vibe that captures and connects all parts of your kitchen with the right retro lighting. Vintage light fixtures go well with every type of decoration. In addition to being perfectly at home in classic kitchens, they also offer an imaginative and colorful element to modern and highly sophisticated kitchen remodels. Use a combination of spots, LED lights and pendants. The spots, LEDs, and pendants have exquisitely crafted and modern structures. They are ideal for large rooms, such as kitchens. These products will make your room cozier thanks to their high-quality design, energy-efficient usage, and adaptability. Decorating minimalist style with hand-woven rattan pendant lights. Minimalist lights have been favored for their simple lines and shapes. Polished, brightly colored surfaces are preferred. This type of design especially distinguishes itself among the architectural chandeliers with crystals, transparent material, and curves created by the most well-known designers in the world. Lights encased in a lantern. Do you want to apply kitchen lighting trends in 2024 to your warm space? The option is to decorate your home with a trendy lantern light fixture. This product not only looks beautiful in your kitchen but also provides enough brightness to see when you're slicing fruits and vegetables for dinner. Choose a unique hanging pendant. With a fascinating choice of hanging light designs available, the illumination above your kitchen will no longer appear dull and repetitive. These products come in a variety of shapes, from spheres and orbs to triangular. Final thoughts. The article has shown you the top 15 kitchen lighting trends for 2024, giving you more options for decorating your cooking area. These ideas will help you create a cozy and warm mood for the space to connect family members together. Let's contact Rowabi if you would like to find pendant lights.